Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to Mask Monday. And I am going to do this mask. This is the Morning Google Eye Mask, Brighten and Protect from Vitamasks. And I have done this mask before, and it's just really cool and lots of fun. So let me open it, and I'll put it on, and then I'll tell you more about it. It has this kind of an opening, and it's just for eyes. And how are y'all this morning? It's just real pretty. It's got stars on it. How are y'all doing today on this Monday? Did you have a nice weekend? I hope y'all had a nice weekend. I had a very busy weekend. And the weekends go by so fast. No matter what, they go by fast, don't they? Okay, so this is like your typical paper kind of mask. But it goes, oh, it smells good. It goes on like this. It's very, very cute. It fits nice. It fits very, very nice. My eyes, I have such allergy issues that I'll just be, working, and then all of a sudden all this water comes pouring out of my eyes. So, oops, that one might be a little bit low. Okay. Okay, so that's very nice. I really like that. All right, so it is the Vitamasks brand Morning Google Eye Mask, Brighten and Protect, made with silver, caffeine, algae complex, pumpkin, and pomegranate. So it's going to revive me. Now, some people do their masks in the morning, some people do their masks at night. Some people do both, either or. I'll do different times a day. I do like eye masks in the evening after I come home from work because they're just refreshing. It says that it's a cooling eye mask to depuff, brighten, and infused with anti-pollution and anti-blue light protection. Directions: unfold and apply, blah, blah, blah. Of course, always on clean skin. You always put your masks, clean your skin first. And then before you would do your regular routine of moisturizers and serums and things, then you would do something like this. Smooth and adjust the mask around the eye area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove and gently massage in any remaining serum. And of course, it has the cautions on there in case you're allergic, blah, blah, blah. It's animal cruelty free, vegan friendly, phthalates and sulfate free, and paraben free. And it is a Korean mask. So this is it. It's so cute. I love it. Okay, anyway, it feels good. It goes with my sparkly ears. These ears are purple on one side and then gold on the other. So some of them flip. But oh, y'all, this fits so nicely. It feels so, so good. It feels so, so good. It has a lot of essence on it. So, okay, anyway. So how are y'all? Like I was saying, how are y'all? I had a very busy weekend. I have construction people coming to my house on Friday. So I've had to reroute my house. I have a small house, and my spare bedroom has damage to the ceiling. That's what they'll be working on. And I had to take as much as possible out of there as I could, and then move the bed and everything to one side of the room. It wasn't easy. And so I don't have any place for these things. So my living room is filled with my side tables, which, the side tables that I have are giant. They're like dressers. They're like mini dressers, right? So I had to move all that, just a lot, y'all. And then, yeah, just a lot. So my house is a topsy-turvy mess is what it feels like, even though it's quote-unquote clean. So anyway, by Friday, it will be filled with fur again. I do most every evening when I come home from work, I sweep. So because of the fur, but, and then, vacuuming. I have rugs. I have wood floors in the living room and the bedrooms and the little hallway between the bedrooms and the bathroom. And my kitchen is linoleum. And my dining area my kitchen and dining area are long, and that's all linoleum. So, you know, that just gets mopped. The wood floors, I do mop them with like that Murphy's soap, but in the meantime, I do sweep often. So, and just when you think you're done sweeping, there's more fur. You'll see a tumbleweed. So, I got the house in order and, you know, went to church, did a few things like that. Our weather changed. It was, what was it last week? It was 70-ish. Monday through Thursday, and then Friday it rained. Was it Friday? Yeah, Friday it rained and was cool. It was like 63. And then Saturday it was gray and on and off rain maybe, and it was warmer. So I've had to turn the air conditioning on. My thermostat, I'm very fortunate. I don't know if everybody has that kind of thermostat, but it's, you know, when I got my heat pump in 2011, 2010. So to me, that's still new, but it's old now. But when they put in this thermostat, I can set it to heat and air conditioning at the same time. You just have to have, I think it's 5 degrees between them, but I do 10 degrees. So I set it to 66 and 76. So if it hits 76, the air conditioning kicks on. If it hits 66, the heat will kick on. And that works good for me. The 66 works good for me when I'm not home and for sleeping. And during the winter time, I do move it up. When I get home and it's cold, I'll put it 67, 68 for, you know, just running around the house. If I'm sitting watching TV, I always have a blanket on me. And even in the summer, I do that too, just because the cats will jump on me and, you know, their claws can hurt. So in the summer, I keep it at 76. Sorry, see my allergies. And then I do put it, if I get real warm, I'll put it just, usually when I come in the house and it's very, very hot out, it's cool. You can feel the difference when you walk in the door, but then you get used to the 76 and then that's a little warm. So I put it to 75 or 74 and that's very comfortable. I think because I have like my heat pump, when I got it, you know, a bunch of places gave me estimates, and one guy who was fantastic, who I used, came highly recommended to me. He came in and measured my house and asked me a bunch of questions where the other people didn't. So they just gave me a replacement for what I already had, which was called a 2-ton. Don't ask me what all that means. So this guy said to me, I think you need, based on what you're telling me, I think you need a 2.5-ton, because the 2-ton was just like, you know, the edge of being my square footage. So the 2.5-ton. So if I had the 2-ton, I'd have to put it like to 68 to get it cold. So that, you know, that difference, I think it saves on electricity. So, you know, but who knows, because electric bills are high anyway. And our electricity just went up recently. Boy, I'm just going on and on. I didn't want to do all that complaining. So anyway, just talking about the weather. I did want to tell y'all, because I told you in my Friday Night Gab, I did talk to Macy's again because I haven't been charged for the May box. I am very disappointed because I talked with them again, very nice customer service. They're foreign people and they're so nice. On the phone with them forever, you know, like half an hour, and they can't get me the May box. I'm not getting the May box, which is a Sunday Rally takeover. I really want that box. Can't have it. So I don't like, this doesn't usually happen to me when I'm told that my card was declined. It doesn't happen to me. So it bothers me that they sent me an email and said your card was declined, because I told you all my card was compromised, so I had it canceled. And they didn't give me any alternative. How about your card was declined? Please get back in touch with us in 24 hours or 48 hours so we can charge you properly. And then I would have gotten my May box. So there was no alternative. It just was, you're immediately not going to get the May box. So they claimed to be sold out. So my next box, the reason that one lady told me last week that I would be charged May 29th, that was because that's for the June box. So I wasn't mad. I'm not mad. I just don't like customer service that I can't get anything accomplished. This is how it was with Glossy Box. Glossy Box, they were super nice, but they would not help me. So I canceled Macy's again. I'm just gonna stay away from Macy's. They do have leftover boxes sometimes that you can buy on their website. So I'll just do it that way. In the meantime, I did see someone open their Macy's May box, and it was rather disappointing. The items are super tiny. They all fit into your hand. So it's not a big loss for me. I'm okay. I'm okay with it. So that is my story. And but if you got the Macy's box, I'm very happy for you. I hope you enjoy it. I'm sure you will. You know, it's a nice little box. It's very similar to the Ipsy glam bag, which is still being called that, the Ipsy glam bag. And it's the same price because the Ipsy glam bag is $13 plus $1.99 for the handling. So it comes out to $15 each. It's very similar. You get deluxe samples, so that's nice. And you just don't get to pick anything from Macy's. So that's that, y'all. I don't really have much else to say. It's hard to talk for too long because my voice, you know, but this happens to me. So I hope y'all are doing well and that you have a wonderful week and that you come by and see me. And yeah, that's what I got. So tell me what's going on in your life below, and please take care of yourself. I know a lot of us don't take care of ourselves, y'all, and I'm bad at that myself. So let's try to do better and take care of ourselves and drink. The summer months are coming and we have to stay hydrated. I'm telling that to myself because that is my big problem, is I dehydrate easily. So that's why I keep those IV sticks around. And this does help hydrate my skin, this type of thing. And I'm really enjoying this one, y'all. It's staying on so nicely, and it's just feeling very nice. And it doesn't, I said it had a scent when I opened it, but it really doesn't have much of a scent, which I think I prefer that for, you know, the face. So thank you all for stopping by. Count your blessings. Do a mask. If you can, when you're watching me, do a mask with me. If you can't, and you go on to the next Mask Monday, do a mask with that person. Or if you can't do it at all because you're busy or it's lunch at work or something, do it tonight when you get home. Do it tomorrow morning before you go to work. Or if you have family that you take care of and you stay at home, try to find a few minutes for yourself, okay? Just take care of yourself so that you can take care of everybody else. Okay, love you all. Count your blessings. Good to see you, and have a wonderful week. See you soon. Bye-bye.